Hi, beautiful people. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to Atik Nature Vibe. My name is Soik Muhammad Atik, and I am truly happy to have you here. On the channel, you will discover the beauty of nature, mountains, forest, village life, peaceful rain, birds, and heartwarming moments with animals. My goal is to capture real moments that bring peace, happiness, and inspiration. If you enjoy nature, travel, wildlife, and relaxing videos, then you are in the right place. Please support my journey by subscribing to the channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Your support motivates me to create even better content for you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Atik Nature Vibe family. Let's explore nature together and feel the pace. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.